It was the historic first day of the criminal trial involving Donald Trump. He becomes the first former president to stand trial in a criminal case. Without any testimony yet, the case is already the center of attention and sparking demonstrations outside the court.
No one is above the law. No one is above the law.
Outside the New York court where jury selection has begun, critics of Donald Trump chanted, "No one is above the law." Trump's supporters hold a different opinion, with signs mimicking what the former president calls the trial a witch hunt. Both groups made their statements as the criminal hush money trial begins. Trump accused of paying off adult film actress Stormy Daniels in 2016 to keep silent about an affair. Trump denies the affair, pleading not guilty to 34 felony charges of falsifying business records. Both sides claim the case is about election interference.
It's hard to overstate how significant this really is. It's the first time in the history of the country that we've seen a former president on trial in a criminal case. And by the way, not just the former president, the candidate for the presidency of the United States and the presumptive Republican nominee for president.
News4JAX political analyst Rick Mullaney is following the case against Trump. It appears court proceedings could keep the presidential candidate tied up for 6 weeks. The White House is trying to keep its distance.
I just want to be super mindful and not comment on an ongoing case, even if it's asking an opinion about the historic nature of what's happening and what's going to occur in the next couple of weeks.
There are 42 questions listed on the juror questionnaire. Jury selection will continue until a panel of 12 New Yorkers plus alternates are seated. The selection process could take weeks.
It may take some time, a week or two, to find those jurors. Even then, you're not sure if they're fair and impartial, but you're going to do the best you can. But it is a very challenging jury selection. This is more art than science for both the defense and the prosecution.
The trial could last as long as 2 months, and it's expected to include testimony from well-known witnesses, including Michael Cohen, Stormy Daniels, and former White House staffers Hope Hicks and Kellyanne Conway.